All right, Lozier, which one is you? Let me see. Say something, please.
Right here.
Lozier.
Right here.
All right, and on the iPhone, that is just connected to your audio, what's your name?
Good morning.
Good morning. iPhone that just connected to your audio, what's your name?
Is
Mike
it,
Long.
Tony?
Good morning.
Is it me that you're talking to?
Oh, no, it's the gentleman with the braids, a young guy with the braids that just popped up. Go ahead, what's your name?
Me?
Yeah, is that a young lady with the braids?
Yes, I'm a woman.
I'm sorry, go ahead, what's your name?
No, it's okay. Shanayla Garrison. I can hear you. Can I grab my headphones real quick?
Garrison, I can hear you.
Okay, I just want to grab my headphones real quick so I can hear you better.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Sorry. Okay, good morning to everyone. Sergeant, Mark put you in a breakout. I think we already have a public Gardner. That's on the speeding ticket. Interpreter. We have a sign language interpreter today.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Thank you for having me here this morning.
Very well. This is the first time that, good morning to you. This will be the first time that I've had a sign language interpreter. I did learn a little bit about sign language interpreting. Is there not supposed to be two interpreters?
No,
It's okay to have one.
it's on this kind of a situation, one is plenty.
Very.
Mhm.
And who was your client?
I believe that they said Marquita Lanier.
Okay. That person is checked in yet or not?
My client.
Right. You ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is going to be the City of Detroit versus Ashton Laird, case number 223-561131 and 223-561141. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's pass the matter and give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock, Mr. Laird. So if they arrive before 9:30, then we will get you an offer, get you in a breakout room, either with the, I think you have your own retained counsel.
Sorry, what was that?
Do you have your retained counsel, or do you need a attorney?
No, I have a lawyer. I didn't see him in here though.
All right, very well. Let's pass the matter until the parties show up.
Okay.
Those are the dates, right?
Yes, please. All right, Miss Baker, Light Baker.
Yes,
Good morning to you, ma'am.
good morning.
Light Baker, do you have, is there another name, maybe? Is that your married name?
No. That's my maiden name. First name
Looks like it's a
Shaquila.
trial, Your Honor. It looks like a trial date.
Okay, very well. We'll wait on you as well for trial. I see, it just doesn't have the hyphen in there. Light Baker.
Oh, Light Baker.
Larry's iPhone.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your last name, please?
Lodge. Good morning to you as well.
Larry Lodge. Making all that noise.
I didn't hear you, sir.
I noticed somebody sound like they were clearing their throat or something. Have you want any kind of this testing it all for this OW?
The meeting.
I had an attorney. I don't see him in here as well either.
Who's your attorney?
Whitey. Dennis Whitey.
All right, stand by. Have you been testing?
Oh, yes. I've been on time with all my testing, and all my testing been clean.
Can we get, who's your probation officer?
I'm not sure, but I was going to on-site in Redford on 5 Mile in Beach Daily.
Here to see who's been testing.
What's his name?
Lies, Larry. Lies. Ms. Garrison,
Yes.
you don't seem to be that old, man.
Huh? Say that again.
You don't seem to be that old. How old are you?
I'm 20. I just turned 24 last month. It's a lot of I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. It's a lot of sounds.
It's sort of uncalled for, all these tickets that you have.
I can be transparent with you. It's me.
Be transparent. Be transparent with me. Don't do that. You be transparent. You be transparent with your lawyer.
Huh?
You be transparent with your lawyer. Logan, you need to mute yourself, please. All right, let's call the cases. I'm gonna look that up. I'm out of interpreter. And Mr. Moore, after I call Listen, who's your client, Mr. Moore? Good morning. to
Michael
you.
Lewis.
Michael Blue, okay, I have him, all right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus, we got Chanella Garrison, case numbers SP 11803612, SP 11803889, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11860044, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11860056, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11933997, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 119338, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11942223, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11942663, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 12729992, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 127321, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 135031, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 135015, 1, 1. 213-98037, counts 1 and counts 2. 217-261-821. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garrison.
Shanayla Deneen Garrison. Hi.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And have you ever had a license, ma'am?
No, I went through the schooling for it and I got my permit, and I had tickets before I was able to get it. And so I had to clear that out to get the license. That's why I'm here, because I want to clear all this out and start afresh. I know that's ridiculous. It's a lot of tickets.
It is ridiculous.
I've just been struggling with all my responsibilities. I became a first around that first year. I became a.
I don't want to.
Oh, okay.
Everybody's got an excuse.
Well, no, it's not an excuse. I'm full accountable for everything. I just was low on money because I was a first-time homeowner at the time, and I was struggling through the city of Detroit to make sure that I follow the rules of the land bank. And I only had one job, and it was taking all of my money, and it was just a lot. But I'm trying to fix all of that.
You're gonna give it to me anyway, and after I told you I didn't want to hear it, right?
Oh, yeah, no, sorry.
Do you have an ink pen, ma'am? Well, I'll
What?
make it easy. I'll make it easier for you. Every ticket that has no insurance proof,
Mhm.
you owe a $45 reinstatement fee. I'm gonna
Okay.
allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. I'm gonna allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That'll be $45 a piece. So that should, I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions or not, do you?
I shouldn't have any. I've been in contact with the courts. I shouldn't have any other warrants. When I checked the last time, they told me I just had a lot of warrants in Detroit.
Yeah, that's $270, ma'am, $45 a piece. You pay those, you'll get clearances here for your tickets in Detroit. And if you don't have any other tickets, you should possibly be able to go and start the process again and get a valid driver's license. I'm gonna give you until 9/11, September 11th.
Okay.
You pay at 8:30 is your next court date, September 11th, 2023 at 8:30. You pay those reinstatement fees. You're gonna have to come down in person to pay those reinstatement fees to the window. That's the best way I can tell you how to do that, ma'am. You pay those in person. You wait 48 to 72 hours to approach the Secretary of State to see if you can get a valid driver's license. Then come back and we'll hopefully you have a license, registration, and insurance. You can get a much better offer. All right.
Okay.
Anything further, ma'am? You understand what you need to do?
Yes. Is it possible that I can go into the court to be able to get paperwork for this, for what we just discussed?
Yeah, but if you come down to the court, you need to come down with the $270 and pay it.
No, I know. I get that completely.
Yeah, you can get whatever paperwork you need. It should be on the website.
Okay.
All right, but you can get whatever paperwork you need if you come down here.
Okay. I'll have that finished by the end of this week.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good day. I'll see you back on September 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. at 8:30 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Philip called. He said he's in Garrett's phone this morning. He's calling about Gilliard at 8:35. He wanted to know if you were ready on Gilliard. Was Gilliard?
Gilliard is here.
Okay. He said he hasn't got discovery yet.
All right, Mr. Moore, Michael. Is it Michael Lewis?
Yes, sir.
Lewis.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter. I'm sorry to interrupt your court. I just need to let you know that I still don't see the client present. I do have 2 additional court cases this morning, one at 9 and one at 9:15. I just wanted to keep you alert of that.
think we have an interpreter. Let's see. What's the, let me pull that case first.
I'm calling. I have a gentleman by the name of Larry Large. He was
What?
working for me, and the judge just wants to update his testimony.
It's SX 4.
Yes,
41
Mhm.
46
08
481.
948.
That's what I have, Your Honor, yes.
Okay, yes, I see that.
Okay, yeah, huh?
All right, I need you to be quiet, please.
All right.
All right, everyone is out, no one is in the breakout room, so we're gonna move on. Mr. Michael Lewis.
Very large. Which one?
This is, this is another case that just continues to come back. Hope there's some movement on this. The city of Detroit from, the city of Detroit for, against Michael Kenneth Lewis, case number SP 1436290, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1444441, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1444451. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gregory L. Moore, P3 4437, on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, state your name. Good morning to you. State your name to the for the record, please. Mr. Lewis, are you there? All right, I saw him on here, but I don't
He's
hear him.
still here, Your Honor. He's muted.
He should know how to work because he's been here enough. I'll pass the matter. Mr. Walling. Mr. Walling, are you there?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Lewis. Mr. Moore, what's going to go on with these cases?
You know, I spent 2 hours trying to talk to people in Florida to get his license, and I told him I can't help him in Florida. We'll try to resolve this today. I'm going to talk to the city prosecutor. Last time I talked to you, you said he had some tickets that weren't in his name correctly, and you put them all together.
Well, I got what I called. I'll try to look it up again to make sure.
Okay, can I speak? Is it okay if I say something?
You always want to say something, sir.
Judge, is there any kind of way I can get like a restricted license, or can you help me some kind of way?
I can't do anything for you. That's what you have a lawyer for.
He couldn't help me. He's told me he couldn't do it either. I've been trying.
All right, well, maybe you need to get a Florida lawyer then. All right, so what I do have is, I do have more tickets.
What's the name of those other ones, Your Honor?
It's just Michael Lewis. It's got this Florida license number.
Dismiss.
Let's call SP City of Detroit versus Michael Lewis, or SP 1452969, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1455441, SP 145552231. Into the record. What we'll do is I'll set a trial date, or I'll just let you speak with the city attorney.
Okay, you know, we can take a trial date if you don't mind. Would you tell me how many tickets total you count?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tickets. Trial date is going to be October the 6th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Miss Mathis is tickets on both of these pages. I'm going to write them on. I'm going to write them on here. So
that's all his stuff. You got a lot
so
of
it's all the stuff. All right. So October the 6th, 9 a.m. There's nothing further. Have a very good day, both of you. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks,
All right. We have your client here, Madam Interpreter. Madam Interpreter, what would the proper designation for the sign language be?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure of the question.
I guess I'm not. I guess I wasn't too clear on that. Like, is there a formal name for the sign language?
American Sign Language.
Okay, all right. Madam Interpreter, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
My name is Rebecca Hensey. I'm a nationally certified sign language interpreter. I'm endorsed in the level, state of Michigan at level 3, which permits me to work in the courtroom.
Very well. And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications so help you God?
I do.
Do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from
I do.
spoken English to sign to the sign to English? I guess that's probably not the best way to put it, because you are signing in English, but do you understand the court's question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I will.
Very well, thank you.
Yes.
That is Nikita Lanier.
Yes.
Okay, she is here.
Yes.
Good morning, Miss Lanier.
She seems to be frozen now.
No, I think she just responded. All right, this is the state of Michigan versus Marquita Shanita Lanier, case number SX 413-46481. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lanier.
Ms.
Please
Lanier,
state
can
your
you state your name for the record?
Marketta Linear. Marquita Lanier.
Very well. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mrs. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I will give your client a $0 bond. This isn't allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The officer is going to be pleading as charged, $240 fine. Will dismiss upon payment. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Lanier so that you can discuss the matter. Keep in mind, Ms. Lanier, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? So that offer will be open on the date of trial. All right, Mr. Wallen.
There. Yes, sir. I'm here. Thank you.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I don't know if Mr. Gilliard is here or not.
He is here.
Okay. We still don't. Could I have a breakout room with him very quickly?
You may.
We're just getting a new date, Judge. So, all right.
Good morning. Officer Thomas, Officer Shabazz, good morning to you. Officer Thomas, who's your client?
I'm here today on Mr. Lige, Your Honor.
Very well. And he's waiting on his lawyer. Let us, I think his lawyer's here. Counselor Abazad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. How is, let's call it a case. This is the city of Detroit versus Larry Lige Jr., case number SB 1449731 and Z8089481. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge, I'm on Ashton Laird.
Oh, you're on Laird.
Yes, and we're ready on that matter. I believe there is no officer.
But we got to give them we're going to give them a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock.
Oh, from 9. Okay, we'll be on standby. Thank you, Judge.
Very well. All right.
We're ready on Gilliard, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Lige, just state your name for the record, please.
Larry Lige Jr.
All right, you said you had a retained lawyer?
Yeah, I had a retained lawyer. His name was Dennis Whitey. He reached out to me Friday. I was trying to call him like ever since.
Well. All right, let's just find out from Mr. Thomas, Officer Thomas. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
How is Mr. Lige progressing?
So he's testing once a week right now on site, Your Honor. He has not missed at all, and all his screens have been negative.
Very well. Let's pass the matter, Mr. Thomas. That's all we really needed. We'll pass the matter. I'll let his lawyer know of his good progress. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Very well. This is the City of Detroit versus Stephen Matthew Gilliard. Case numbers SP 122-60821, SP 130-3469, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 631-76322. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, P 35229. I am appointed representing Mr. Gilliard.
Mr. Gilliard, can you state your name for the record, please?
Stefan Gilliard.
Stefan, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time. We call it a pre-trial. You indicated to the court already that you needed extra time to.
Not me. What we don't have, Your Honor, is a transcript. The court has an order. The court reporter has the order, I should say, and that's where we're stuck right now. I'd like to set this for trial date one way or another, but I do need that transcript.
Well, Ms. Williams-Law.
Yes, yes, sir. I just emailed Ms. Snyder regarding this matter. I had a technical issue. It was not shipped, so I will furnish this as soon as possible.
Can you give me some sort of range what that means?
Sure, within a day or two, if necessary.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Within a day or two. Hold on a second. Within a day or two, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, well, don't rush yourself. How about all week?
Well, I think you better take it while it's there.
Will do, Your Honor. When at the court's disposal, you let me know, and I'll for the next day.
You know you're going to go to trial on this, right, Mr. Walling? Let's just set him for trial for October the 6th.
Can we get it any sooner than that, Judge? Poor Mr. Gilliard. Poor Mr. Gilliard's patience is running thin with the system, and I'm trying to keep him interested on the.
Yeah, I've already scheduled. I don't think it can get any sooner than that. I've already scheduled vacation time throughout those a lot of those weeks.
Mr. Gilliard, can you still hang on with me?
He's got to. Okay. You got him this far.
What was that date again, Your Honor?
October the 6th.
That's a Friday, correct?
Is that a Friday? I didn't ask. I just gave you what I was given. Yeah, that's a Friday.
We'll be there.
All right, Mr. Gilliard, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Mr. Gilliard.
You too, thank you.
At least you get long breaks in between.
Okay. All right.
Thanks.
Good. All right.
And thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lanier. Ms. Lanier, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date.
Well, that's what you want to do, Ms. Lanier? Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date, October the 6th, 2023 at 9 a.m. And we need to order a sign language interpreter. So I have marked the file, and I don't know if that will be you again.
Yes.
Miss Hensey, did I get the pronunciation of your last name correct?
Correct. My last name was correct, right?
And thank you very much. Ms. Lanier, thank you very much. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back on October the 6th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you. Just free to leave. All right, let's move on to any other, okay, the retained matters are here. We will wait on them. Green, and then we'll wait on the city attorney as well you can speak with the city attorney ahead of, so you can pre-try the cases on the retained trial. Let's see. Chad, Matthew, Lorette, your matter is scheduled for trial as well.
Your Honor.
Are you there, ma'am?
I think the question broke off.
Is Nicole Green there? Ms. Green?
Green is here.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Nicole Green, case number 472071. And let's see this 19 case. So Judge Bryant case. All right, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Nicole Green.
All right, today is the date time set for pretrial. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Green?
No, Your Honor,
All right, why is that?
because I haven't taken my tickets off.
Which tickets in some other jurisdiction?
Yeah, in another jurisdiction in Southfield that I didn't know I had.
All right, the offer's gonna be failure to display, $240 fine. She has an absolute right to a trial that will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, won't carry any points. She has a old 19 failure to report an accident. I don't know if that's a civil infraction or not. It looks like a civil infraction. I don't know. Looks like it was disposed on and $130 was owed. So I don't know what's going on with that case. So do you want to, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, find out what she wants to do, Mr. Berry, trial or taking the deal, $240.
Yes, sir.
Lozier.
Yes.
For you. City of Detroit versus Kamari Lozier, case number SP 1396779, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lozier, please state your name for the record.
Kamari Kareem Lozier.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Mathis.
Yes.
And, this is a reckless, I think the lower it goes drag racing. 4-point offense as it stands now, reckless is a 6-point offense. Given the opportunity to take the defensive driving course, see if that would mitigate some of this. And he has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. That'll be a drag racing, $240 fines, 4 points on his license. We'll dismiss the other 2 matters. Let's see if the ticket has anything of substance on here by way of, no, it does not have anything but reckless driving, Madam Harris. So, let me put this in the chat for the better drivers. You can explain everything to him in the breakout.
Ready as to Ms. Green, Your Honor.
All right, I'll put it in the chat, Mr. Lozier, about the defensive driving course, the better driver's course. Join the breakout and we'll speak to Ms. Harris and let us know what your client wants to do on.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on, let's go off the record with Lozier and back on the record with Ms. Green, correct?
Correct.
Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
She would avail herself of the offer, Your Honor.
Take failure to display.
Yes, Your Honor.
That what you want to do, Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, man. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you'll be giving up those rights upon taking this deal?
Yes.
Oh, good, okay.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record, Ms. Green? Ms. Green?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what we said we were due today?
No.
Right, let's draw your attention back to April the 17th, 2023 at around 5:26 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McNichols and Stansbury. Ma'am, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, ma'am, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
That officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because they're suspended.
Very well, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. When can you pay it, ma'am?
As soon as I can get the funds. Let me see. I'm sure. Probably by the end of the month.
End of the month is 31st of July.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you to the 31st of July to pay it, all right?
Okay.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lige. Mr. Whitey, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Good morning. Dennis Whitey, P79560 on behalf of Larry Lige, who's present by way of Zoom.
Very well. We have already had probation officer Thomas in here, and he's given an update on Mr. Lige, says he's doing very well, has not missed a test, has all tests have been negative, so I'm happy for that.
Excellent. And today, Judge, we're just setting up for bench trial.
For trial. All right. Trial date is going to be October the 6th, 2023, 9 a.m. Court on its own motion is going to reduce this testing to bi-weekly now.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, keep up the good work, Mr. Lige, and we'll set a trial date for October 6th, 2023, 9 a.m.
And then, Your Honor, just if I could order my client on waiving the jury trial.
Very well.
Okay. Mr. Lige, just go ahead and answer my questions, okay?
Okay.
This is Dennis Whitey. I was the attorney that spoke to you. We discussed your right to a jury trial. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we discussed the risks and the benefits of going with the jury trial versus bench trial. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is it still your choice based on my advice to conduct this trial via bench trial?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Just want to make sure it's on the record.
Now, let me ask you this, Mr. Lige, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial by jury?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Fair enough. Thank you, Judge.
All right, very well.
Appreciate it.
Have a great day. October
you.
the 6th, 2023, 9 a.m.
All right, see you then. Thanks for fitting me in.
All right, let's go back. Pardon me?
I'm good to go.
Did I need to check in?
You checked in.
I'm good to go, Your Honor.
You're good to go, Mr. Lige. Good luck. Keep up the good work, please.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too. On the
We're ready on Mr. Lozier.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lozier. Mr. Lozier, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting a trial date and he is going to take the course as well.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Lozier?
Yes.
All right, 10-6, that's the last one, Ms. Mathis. I need some more trial dates. October 6th, 2023, 9 a.m. I'm giving you the information to the course and my email address. It would help if you got us that before you come in here on 10-6 so we can get you out quicker, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. I'll see you back on October the 6th.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. That's up to you. I've given you, you said 5, so I just let you know. I mean, warranty.
No, that's up to you. I'll give you the date though.
313-742-7994. What's your name, please?
My name is Stephen Grayson. Dewan Owens.
313-742-7994. What's your name, please?
Dewan Owens.
Dewan Owens?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Owens.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Dewan Owens, case number SB 1449638, 8 counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1449741, SB 1449941. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the, state your full name, Mr. Ellen.
Dewan Owens.
There's a date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance, sir?
No, Your Honor. You sent me to register for my license, and I went, and I had 2 tickets I had to clear up, which I got clearance from 36th District, but I didn't have the money on me for the registration fee for me to take the license, to take the test.
What tickets did you had cleared at 36th District? I don't know what tickets you're talking about.
I had I can give you the ticket number. Let's see. I had one for no proof of insurance and or aid, and I had one for 2000 and one for 2008, which I was explaining that my name, my ID was stolen, so I was under 2 names with them. So when I went to apply for the license, like you told me, they said I had to clear this. So I went down there with my ID to 36th District, which I have both of the clearance that it wasn't me, and they gave me the clearance. So when I returned back to Secretary of State, they said I had to pay $150, and I didn't have the money. But I was asking from you in the courts if I had a little more time, because I can pay the reinstatement fee and then take care of the license.
And how long will you need to do that?
Probably to the beginning of next month, if possible. Well, I'm back to work. I was going to make payments until I can have that cleared up.
I'm going to have you back on August 10th, 2023 at 8:30.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You can have a valid driver's license when you come back, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, you too.
All right. I have Ms. Snyder. Good morning to you. I have a few attorneys in here, and I have officers, and I have defendants that are here set for trial. Any other attorneys in here? All right. Join the room, counselor, to speak with Ms. Snyder about Laird. Is that a state case or is that a city case?
City case, but I don't believe there's an officer, Judge.
Is there not? Well, he's got 2 more minutes. What's the officer's name?
Nathan Miller.
And your name?
Miller, Sergeant Miller, or Ashton Laird.
Miller just walked into the courtroom.
All right, I'll join the breakout room.
Speak to Ms. Snyder. Good morning, Officer. Sergeant Miller?
Yes, sir.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir, Sergeant.
Sergeant Miller, good morning.
Morning.
All right. Ask the lawyer for your client.
Okay.
And Angel Getter.
Yes, I'm here.
Did I get the pronunciation right now?
Jeter, Angel Jeter.
Jeter? All right, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
Let's see. Let's see what you have. Denise. Yeah, is that your middle name?
Yes, the niece. Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Angel Denise Jeter. Case number is SP 1259091, count 1. SP 1259091, count 3. SP 1302846, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1303769, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Jeter.
Angel Lenice Jeter.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Jeter, you see you paid that no proof of insurance.
I'm sorry?
I see you paid that no proof of insurance ticket for $336.
Yes.
SP 1259091, count 1 and count 3. I'm going to dismiss those because those came on the same transactions for paid related civil infraction. SP 1302846, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1303769. I'm going to offer your client blocking traffic for the 150, and $175 does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and we will dismiss the other matters. She has an absolute right. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Jeter. I can let you speak to Mr. Berry if you choose to. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it does not carry any points. What would you like to do?
How much would I have to pay?
$175.
And then I'll be clear?
Everything will be clear.
I'd rather pay.
All right. Will you stipulate on behalf of your client the face of the ticket as an factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, $175, Ms. Jeter, when can you pay it?
I get paid next week, so can I get 7 days, a week to pay it?
I'll give you until 21st, 2023, all right? Make sure you pay that that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone or pay it in person down here at the courthouse. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now.
You said a kiosk?
that, yes, that kiosk, or you paid the other thing. I don't know if you paid that online or not.
Yeah, I've been paying everything online.
It kind of goes through slow, but I guess you can do that.
Yes.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, make sure it gets paid, please, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Mrs. Light Baker, is that investigator Wilkinson for Mrs. Light Baker? Yes. All right. I'm gonna put what happened with Ms. Schneider, and then Chad Lorette. Let's see, Tim Clark, the city of Detroit versus Chad Matthew Lorette, case number V5013832, V5013842. Hearing, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lorette, please state your name for the record.
Chad Lorette.
Mr. Lorette.
Why you in, man?
Sorry about that, Ms. Harris. I muted you. Today is the date time set for a trial in the matter. We have Officer Tim Clark, or investigator, or Tim Clark. Did I put that person in a breakout room? No, have not seen that person or heard that person. Go ahead, Miss Harris.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. That gets me down to unique.
I'm here.
What is your last name, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Gullet.
Gullet. The city of Detroit versus Unique Simone Gullett, case number SP 138-7844, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 138-7845, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gullett, please state your name for the record.
Unique Gullet.
Okay, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gullett, did you take a defensive driving course?
No, Your Honor, I actually was trying to see, I tried to, like, a week after we had talked, when I had court, I ended up losing my contract to hire, job. It was a remote position. So I was trying to see if I could get extension. I tried to, well, I did call your office actually, and they just told me to wait to see if I can come to court to see if I can get extension from you.
So why would that have any bearing on you taking the course?
Because you wanted me to do the course and get my registration and stuff. So, right now I'm just off my savings.
Course, I wanted you to have the course taken by now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said registration, my course, and my driver's license. So I was just trying to get everything all together.
I understand that, but why didn't you do the course?
Well, once I lost my job, it kind of was like I literally living check to check. I just got a new home. First time homeowner.
I'm sorry about the loss of your job, right? But you didn't lose your job right after you left court that day, did you?
No, I lost it literally a week after.
All right. So now what is it gonna take? How long is it gonna take?
Well, I got some interviews actually this week. So if you could just give me a couple, maybe 2 months, I could literally get
2 months. I can't give you two. I can give you 2 months. I can set it for a trial in 2 months.
Okay.
Trial. It'll give you longer than that. 10/9/2023, October 9th, 2023. That should give you. Hopefully you can get it together by then. You have the information for the Better Drivers course, correct?
Yep, it's the bettersdrivers.com, right?
Yeah.
Yep. I got everything I need.
Very well. Trial date, October 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck on securing that job, ma'am, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Very good. Henry Guevara. Can you unmute yourself, please? Can you hear me, sir?
I hear you. Oh.
Henry Guevara.
Oh, no, that's not it.
Do you need an interpreter, necesito interpreter? You have to unmute yourself then.
Can you hear me?
Oh, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Did I
Sorry about that.
Pronunciation, your last name correct?
Yes, that was good.
This is the city of Detroit versus Henry Guevara, case number SP 145-87971. Appearance for the record, please.
Alvin S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guevara.
Henry William Guevara.
This is the date and time set for a pretrial. This is a state case here. I don't know what the offer is for driving a moped on the sidewalk. You want to just set the matter for trial?
Your Honor, actually, I was parked on the sidewalk. What ended up happening was I parked behind the car.
Mr. Guevara.
I don't think you want to say all that out loud. Unless you pick the bike up and put it on the sidewalk, you're almost kind of admitting to what they're saying. But I guess it is other ways to get the bike on the sidewalk other than riding it up there. Speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room and you can tell him the story, all right?
Sounds perfect. Thank you.
Join the room, please. 412-4684. 412-4684. Press star 6 to unmute yourself, please.
Your Honor, if you could give me one moment before we actually call the next case, just,
Very well.
thank you.
412-4684. Can you press star 6 to unmute yourself, please? On the phone at 416. Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Larry Long.
Larry Long.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Long.
Good morning to you, sir. My phone.
Anthony Logan, can you please keep yourself muted?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Yeah, can you please keep yourself muted? You constantly take your hat off too. You constantly disturbing the court.
Excuse me?
I said you're constantly disturbing the court. Take your hat off and please keep yourself muted. Until I call you name. Good morning to you.
You said muted?
Mute yourself. I'm gonna mute you.
Okay. Is it muted?
Oh my gosh. If it were muted, then I wouldn't hear you and you wouldn't have to say that. It's muted now. I don't know why you keep coming unmuted. I was trying to let you, I don't see you in the room at all. Oh, there you go.
For some reason, it transferred to.
Can I get Larry Long stuff, please?
It transferred to.
Leon?
One.
You got it, you got it.
Mr. Long.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You have a valid license?
No, sir.
Are you trying to get a valid license, sir?
Yeah, and no, well, it's a struggle, but that's a long story. I don't want to waste the court time. Yes, in due time, I will try to get one, sir.
Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No, sir.
I can give you time to get a valid license if you need to, sir.
Uh-oh. I'll take that challenge, Your Honor. I'm up in age in my sight, but I'll take that challenge. I need to.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right, very well. This is the City of Detroit versus Larry Long. Case number SP 141-0292, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Long. Please state your name for the record.
Mr. Long, Larry Long. Mr. Larry Long.
Well, this matter was set for trial. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Councilman.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
In or not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. You missed the trial date last time, Mr. Long.
Yes, Your Honor, I was under, oh, sorry. Yes, I was on the Turner Williams, and he was on, the computer was on mute, and the person that was in charge of the computer couldn't unmute it in time. We heard you call the name a few times.
All right, I'm gonna set another trial date for October the 10th. Strike that, October the 9th. October the 9th. 2023 at 9 a.m. Come back on October the 9th. In the meantime, hopefully you can get a valid license between now and then.
Yes, sir.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. This is City of Detroit versus Victoria Laura. Case number SP 1467981. B1296983. B1296993. B1297003. Appearance for the record, please. Thank you so much.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lara. Please state your name for the record.
Victoria Lara.
Today is the date and time. Good morning, Ms. Laura. The date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Do you have vaccination records for this dog, Ms. Laura?
I don't, sir, because I'm not planning to keep the dogs because they're not my dogs.
All right, so you want to set a trial date then?
Yes.
She indicated that they're not her dogs, so I guess that would be the people's first obligation is to prove that they're her dogs. I'll set a trial date, October 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Are the dogs, I don't know if the dogs, are the dogs still around?
They are, because I had fed them one time and they just keep coming back. So they told me to tie them up, so I just had to tie them up, but I was telling them that they were just around.
All right, if you can get some vaccination records, then possibly that, I know that vaccination records, those 2 charges will be dismissed if you get a dog license, but if you don't plan on keeping them, I don't know what to tell you. Come back on October the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Laura?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
Are we ready on someone, Mr. Barry?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready, Mr. Guevara.
All right, Mr. Guevara, I'm back on the record, Mr. Henry Guevara. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we require a bench trial in this matter.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Guevara?
Yes, sir.
Very well. October the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
There we go. This is the City of Detroit and the State of Michigan versus Anthony James Logan. Case numbers. SP 1284862, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1285235, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1338308, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1338692, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 133870001, SP 1351087, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1359813, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1364167, counts 1 and counts 2. And SX 39246401. That's also called 2131-62211. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika
Oh, well,
Harris
that's
on
very-
behalf of Mr. Logan. Please state your name. Mr.
Mr. Logan, you
Logan,
can unmute
please state your
yourself
name.
now. Now he doesn't want to unmute himself. All right. Let's move on. Any offers
Yes.
on,
Hold up, bro. Hello?
state your name for the record, please.
Hello?
State your name for the record, please.
Anthony Logan.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This one has one count of leaving the scene of a property damage accident. For that reason, we'll just set a trial date on all these matters. Because the officer is going to want to, the city attorney is going to want to speak to the officer before they make an offer. All right, Mr. Logan. So come back on October the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
All right.
Have a good day, sir.
All right, thank you.
What about on Light Baker? Did we get anything on Light Baker? Officer plead to 4 charges under 12 months. No early dismissal, dismissed for.
I'm here.
It's Light Baker.
Good morning. Good morning.
4 charges of violation.
I have
Go ahead.
the records of their license and vaccinations.
You do?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris.
Okay.
You see the officer, I have Officer Fulkerson here. Put you in a breakout room, show Miss Harris what you have, and then Miss Harris, get with Miss Schneider and see if it works out. What about Laird? Has that been worked out? Open drawer. Yeah. Yeah. We need
We need a probation officer.
probation officer.
Okay.
Giddens.
Here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
is that City of Detroit versus Tamir Lahara Deandra Gibbons.
Deandra.
That's what I thought I said. Case number SP 1410927, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11256, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1464162. SP 1464163, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Is there a lawyer here? Mr. Elwood Berry. Mr. Berry.
Yes.
Mr. Berry.
Did you say Mr. Larry?
Berry, Attorney Berry. Where's Berry? He's frozen. You're speaking and I can't hear anything you're saying, Mr. Berry. Okay. I don't know if we lost him or not. Is that Maurice Larry?
Yes, sir. Maurice Larry.
Very well. I got an offer. Here's Mr. Berry back. I have an offer for you.
Can I be heard?
To be heard. Put your appearance on the record for Ms. Gibbons.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name, Ms. Gibbons.
Tamir Lahara Deandra Gibbons.
Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I just haven't got around to it yet.
When do you plan on getting around to it?
So,
like no big deal, right? It's only 93 days. You can do that?
No.
Upside down, can't you?
No, I cannot.
So why are you just so cavalier about it now? I ask you a question.
I don't know. I'm gonna get to it. I was just getting garnished and all type of stuff was going on.
All right, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I don't know if it's that big of a deal to Ms. Gibbons to get a valid license. I would give her the opportunity, but it doesn't even sound like she's even close to a plan or path to getting
I am
there.
planning on getting one.
I mean, plan on getting one. How long have you been planning on getting one? I mean, what? It doesn't sound like you've even mapped out any plan or path to get one. How long will it take? Do you have any tickets in the other jurisdictions, ma'am? Have you been to the Secretary of State? Do you know if you can get one now or not?
I can find out Friday. Can I?
Come back, free trial day on 9/11/2023 at 8:30. That'll be the first step, is to go to the Secretary of State to see if they may surprise you. You may be eligible for a license. We'll set a pre-trial date, 9/11/2023 at 8:30, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right, we're gonna go on to Light Baker, City of Detroit.
And as your blood starts to flow back to your skin real heavily.
I'm here.
All right, City of Detroit versus, is that Shaquilla?
Shaquila.
Shaquilla, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Light Baker, case number V12879-222, V12879-322, V12879-422, V12879-522, V12879-622, V12879-722, V12879-922, V128800022. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Light Baker, please state your name for the record.
Shaquilla Light Baker.
All right, today is the date
And
and
at this time,
time.
we are just awaiting,
Go ahead.
sorry. We are just awaiting a response from Madam Prosecutor. I did forward information to her.
Very well. I do have Officer Fulkerson here. However, I don't seem to be able to pull out the breakout room. And I don't see Madam Schneider in our room either. So let's pass the matter until we get until we get some understanding. We already have an offer that was tendered, and I imagine that offer is going to change. Officer Fulkerson, Investigator Fulkerson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Light Baker?
Good morning, I'm here.
Yeah, state your name, please.
Sorry, Investigator Fulkerson here.
Okay, and you are from
Detroit. Detroit Animal Control,
And do you have a badge number, ma'am?
badge number 10.
Very well. Good morning to you. We're going to pass the matter and allow Ms. Harris to hear back from Corporation Counsel Snyder. At the time that the offer is pleading the 4, those will be $240 a piece, 12-month delay, and dismiss the other 4. But Ms. Ms. Light Baker, I believe, has gotten some of the dog license and vaccinations and things of that nature. She's going to see if that changes the offer. All right.
Okay.
Let's pass that matter. Let's move on to Leonard. David Leonard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did I get that right? Leonard?
Yes, Leonard, yes.
Which one is it?
It's spelled both ways, Leonard.
Well, how do you pronounce it?
I say Leonard, Leonard, Leon.
Very well. All right. Lake Con, David Lake Con Leonard Jr., right?
David LeCon Leonard.
This is not the junior?
No, that's my son.
Oh, you're here. Today is the date and time. This is called the City of Detroit versus David LeCon Leonard, case number SP 142-38501. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please. I don't need an appearance.
David LeCon Leonard.
Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see that you have paid your obligations, sir. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss this case, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thanks, Your Honor. You too. Thank you very much.
Hey, where's your son?
I didn't know. I didn't know he supposed to attend court today.
Not today. Yeah, he is supposed to be here today. Can you get him here?
Oh yeah, I had to call him. I didn't know. Yes, I could call him.
Tell him to zoom in, please.
Yes, thank you. Okay, I will. Thank you.
Toya Green. LaToya Green.
Yes, LaToya Green here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you, Judge.
This is the City of Detroit versus LaToya Green. Case number SP 139-54141, SP 139-54251. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
LaToya Green.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Whether or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Green?
No, unfortunately, I do not.
Why is that?
Because currently my license is suspended to the state of Michigan. I'm not able to get a license until next year of June.
All right, the offer is going to be failure to display, Counselor. That's going to probably affect her ability to get a license next June, because that will abstract the Secretary of State. But I will dismiss the other matter. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Green, and you can speak with her and tell her the ramifications of that offer, and let us know what she wants to do. She has an absolute right to a trial. $240 fine. Join the room, Ms. Green. What's up? You all right? Gun. No. Golland. Sierra. Gwen. Sierra Gwen.
Hello, yes, this is Sierra Gwen.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Sierra Gwen, case number SP 1457642, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Quinn. Please state your name for the record.
Sierra Gwen.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gwen, do you have a valid license?
I currently do not. It's going to be restricted starting July 15th, 2023.
Wow, I'm going to give you some more time to get that license. Come back in 2 weeks, ma'am, on July 24th, 2023 at 8:30, all right, pre-trial. See if that license is restricted, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
iPhone, who's on the iPhone?
Maurice Larry.
Larry. City of Detroit versus Maurice Cordell Larry, case numbers SP 140-87361, SP 137-1144, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Larry, please state your name.
Maurice Larry.
Good morning to you, Mr. Larry. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Ireton, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ireton, Detroit Police, badge 2518.
Very well. Today is the date and time again set for trial. Let me see. Thank you for offer forward to Mr. Larry. Expired plates. Plea to the expired plates, $145 civil infraction, and dismiss the other 2 matters. That's a civil infraction, sir. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And SP 140-87361, I guess he dodged the bullet on that. Officer Povich, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss. Was the pun intended or not intended?
Was. Dismiss. Although I don't look at it as a laughing matter, though. I look at it as a very, very serious matter. But I hope we don't see Mr. Larry with these allegations again. I'll dismiss no officer. Want to take the deal, sir?
And what was the deal again, sir?
Expired plates, $145, and no proof of insurance, dismiss. That's a 0 point abstract to the Secretary of State.
Yes, sir. I take the deal.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible counsel.
Don't stipulate.
Don't stipulate it, Sharon. Stipulate the probable cause dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, $145, Mr. Larry. When can you pay it?
I took a layoff for about a month, so I just started back work, so I could get that paid like in a week.
Very well. I'll give you 2 weeks, sir. 7/24/2023. Make sure it's paid, or
yes,
it's
sir.
going to affect and all kind of late fees paid at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. All right.
Yes, sir.
Upload that app to your phone.
Okay.
Andre Lovett. What about Miss Mike Baker?
Could I have a breakout room with the investigator, Your Honor?
Yes.
We might need Miss Light Baker and Attorney Harris to join us, but we'll know.
Very well.
Yeah, Your Honor, this is still Maurice Larry. Am I dismissed?
Yeah, you dismissed. Just make sure you make that payment, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, we're back.
You too.
Hey, Judge, did you call Andre Lovett?
I did.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Ready as to Ms. Green, Your Honor.
Okay. The Toy Green. Now let's go back on the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Green would avail herself of the offer.
Even though you know, Ms. Green, that's probably likely gonna suspend your license even further?
Yes, Your Honor.
You don't want to try to see if you can do any better, ma'am?
Well, from my understanding, I would love to. I don't know my options. From my understanding, I'm not able to do anything. I'm not able to apply for a license until I have to wait the suspension time. If there's something else I could do, I would be able to, would like to do that.
All right. Stand by. Mr. Lovett. Is this Andre, Aaron, Eron, Lovett Jr.?
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
All right. City of Detroit versus Andre Eron Lovett Jr. Case number SP 1362258, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 19-515-6331. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lovett, please state your name.
Andre Eron Lovett.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is there Officer Raymond? Officer Raymond. Hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir. Just seconds. I'll waive the warrant fee. Will be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. The cases that I call in the record are going to be dismissed. Those are the ones I checked this now. And then you owe the court a lot of money, sir.
How much do I owe?
You have to go online and look at that a lot. I just want to let you know that the cases we call today are going to be dismissed. All right. No, officer. If there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Just these ones right here.
Okay. Did we get the counselor for Oldenbrook?
I sent the email to Scotty.
All right, let's go. What about Clarence? What's Clarence's last name? All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Green. Oh, well, it's no wonder you won't have a license, Jim.
Yes.
And how do you know that you're gonna be eligible in July?
I received a letter from the state of Michigan.
And what did that letter say? That letter said you were gonna get a driver's license in July of next year?
No, I would be able to apply for a license.
Set a hearing date, right?
Yes, I'll be able to do that next year.
Let's see. Well, let's just set a trial date for you. You can take this better driver's course. I'm gonna put it in the chat. That may mitigate something.
Okay.
There's the better driver's course I put in the chat already. Can you see that? I'm gonna repopulate that.
How do I see stuff in the chat? Oh, chat. Okay.
Now, take a screenshot of that now. I'm gonna set a trial date for October the 9th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Make sure you tell your lawyer when you come in that day, your situation as well. Try to get me the certificate for the best driver's course ahead of that court date, all right?
Okay. Mr. Berry, would you be my lawyer?
Maybe, maybe not.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Brother, have a very good day, ma'am. To you.
Thank you. Bye.
What about Clarence? What's your last name, sir? Clarence.
Guyton. My last name is Guyton.
Guyton, good morning
Yes,
to
sir.
you.
Good morning to you, sir.
You were here last week, right?
Yep.
What brings you back?
Okay, you told me to come back today because Friday you told me I had to have registration. You've been telling me to get the license. I got the license. You told me to do a registration now. The thing was Friday. The thing was Friday. I'm sorry, what was you saying?
You said you wouldn't have a problem doing it.
Yeah, I wouldn't have a problem doing it. And Friday was the last day that I was here. You told me to go get a registration. Saturday, Secretary of State was closed, but I got the insurance, but I couldn't get a registration. And my appointment to get on the registration is for tomorrow.
All right. Come back on what time is your appointment?
My appointment is at 9 in the morning.
Zoom in after you get your registration.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Mm-hmm.
313-972-7214. Press *6 to unmute yourself. State your name for the record, please. Counselor for Lair, he's still. What's the offer going to be for Lair, Ms. Schneider? She's still in the brick. All right.
Judge was that?
Guy can literally say come back tomorrow. All right, who's on the Galaxy S10, press start, unmute yourself, please. Turn your camera on. iPhone 23, what's your name? Unmute yourself, turn your camera on.
Hello,
Ma'am, what's your name, please?
Shantae Lon.
Shantae who?
Lon,
Lon?
Lon, L-U-N-N.
Morning to you. I don't see, okay, I do. City of Detroit versus Shantae LaShawn Lon. Case number SP 145-81891. Appears for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Lund.
Shantae LaShawn Lon.
There's a date time set for a pretrial. You have valid registration, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I see the document, please? Very well. There's nothing further. I'm satisfied. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you.
There's nothing else. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
I don't think that.
Really? Okay.
Oh, you got Sergeant Martin here
Oh, I do?
for Gardner.
Oh,
But
well.
I haven't seen Gardner.
That was the one where you just said you do a driver's training and the attorney sent me. I told him again.
Sergeant Martin,
Good morning, Your Honor.
morning. APA Cole is here. I don't know, Gardner's not on the,
It's not on there?
it's not on the docket today.
Oh, I had it on my account. Maybe I emailed him, because that's the one trooper that we agreed that he took the driver's training course, and he did. The attorney sent me a certificate. I better check the date on that. Did you get a subpoena or did I email you? God only knows.
Sergeant Martin,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you get a subpoena or were you emailed?
Subpoena.
Let's get the case number if you would, please.
I had it in my calendar too today.
You have the case number, Mr. Sergeant Martin?
Yes, you ready, Your Honor?
Yes.
It is X4229550.
422-9550.
Correct. That's the ticket number, Your Honor.
Yes. I have that paid $175. 1 to 5.
And they sent me-
Limited access.
Yeah.
All right, so that matters closed out.
Okay,
Sorry, sir.
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Sergeant Martin, be safe out there.
Why
Have a
didn't
very
you
good
email
day.
me? Oh, excuse me.
No,
You should have emailed me.
What about light, though? You haven't finished talking. They're still talking on that light base. And then I'm gonna give an opportunity, Attorney Harris to speak with Ms. Snyder again. On David Leonard, who was that? We already spoke with him or what? Yes.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Mathis. Good morning, how are you? Oh, so your new glasses. I'll use this reader, so I'm type it.
Is that David Leonard? Is that junior? Or is
Yes,
that
that's
senior?
Junior.
City of Detroit versus David Lacon Leonard Jr. Case number SP 145-00181, SP 145-00241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Leonard Jr. State your full name, sir.
David Lacon Leonard Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. So, yes, do you have a valid license, sir?
At the moment, I still don't have no valid license due to me losing my job, but I had got another job just so I can get my valid license.
Have we been down this road already one time?
No, this is the first time.
No. We've been down this road because I've given you this time to get a valid license. Have you gone to the Secretary of State at all?
I have, but I had reached, they told me that I was 10 minutes late of my appointment.
Well, did you set another one?
Yes, I have.
When is your next appointment?
It's scheduled next week.
Come back in 2 weeks with a valid license, all right?
Okay.
7/24/2023. I shouldn't have to ask your father to remind you about your court date either, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
So, thank you.
On that Galaxy S10, I need you to unmute yourself and start your camera before I put you out. (492-7214). Press *6 to unmute yourself, please, on the phone. We need an officer for Oldenbrook. Miss Oldenbrook.
Here, let me call them here.
Your Honor, on Ms. Light Baker, may I please go in the breakout room with her? And we're possibly going to need a new date.
Yes, there's they're already, go back in the breakout room, Ms. Light Baker. Rejoin the room, Ms. Light Baker, please. Oh, here's Ms. Snyder here. Let's go back on the record. You want to go in the breakout room anyway, right?
Yes. I think she'll hear it on the record, so it's fine.
Well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Light Baker. Ms. Light Baker, I've given all the parties an opportunity to speak privately about it. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, at this time, some of the documentation that was provided is not up to date. So we're asking that Ms. Light Baker contact the owner of the dogs again and have them forward that information or provide that information or even get in contact with animal control. I understand what you were telling me, Ms. Baker, so that's why we're giving you this opportunity so that person can come forward, but we're asking that the court set it for a pre-trial date since it's more so of a document review.
All right, Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322. For the record, the issuing investigator is present.
Very well. From what I understand, just hearing what Ms. Harris says, Ms. Light Baker is saying these aren't her dogs. Is that correct, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I don't know. So are you giving Ms. Lightbaker an opportunity to go get some documentation to show the court and in your office?
Are you asking me, Your Honor?
I was gonna say, that's what Madam Prosecutor is giving us an opportunity to do. I think there's a lot more that goes on with this situation that we won't disclose on the record. I understand what Ms. Lightbaker is saying. It's just the documents that the dog's owner provided her are not current.
Okay. So how long will it take you to get some current documentation, Ms. Lightbaker?
I'm not sure. I'll have to speak with the owner.
All right. We'll set a pretrial date for September the 11th, 2023 at 8:30. And we'll see if this goes. Okay?
Okay, September 11th at 8:30.
September 11th, 8:30.
Okay.
There's nothing further, Ms. Lightbaker. Have a very good day.
Okay.
Have a very good day out there.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, let's move on to, I don't know what Counselor for Lair is doing. Was there an offer for Lair, Mrs. Snyder?
Technically, no. It's kind of confusing, Your Honor. My office believes it should be set on the jury trial docket. And I guess there have been some discussions with the officers, my supervisor, and the prior prosecutor, Attorney Goss.
And you said you broke up when you said your office feels that it should be set on the jury trial?
Yes, and when I spoke to Officer Miller, who was in the breakout room, he said that I guess at the last hearing, the defense attorney objected to having a bench trial, stated they hadn't waived their jury trial rights and set it for the jury trial docket.
About to bring him in.
Right. He and I, the retained attorney and I discussed it very briefly. My supervisor is out sick today, and I haven't been able to get a response from her.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Ashton Joseph Laird, case number 223561131, 223561141. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. For the record, the issuing officer is present. I believe he's in a breakout room.
All right, Sergeant Nathan and Sergeant Miller. Good morning.
Yes, Your Honor.
to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm in the hallway. Would you like me to step into your courtroom?
Oh, that's fine. You can stay there. Can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Laird?
Yes, Sergeant Nathan Miller, Detroit Police Department.
All right, and Detroit and badge number, please.
Badge S415, City of Detroit.
Very well. Counselor, can you put your appearance on for your client Laird?
Yes, Judge. Ziada was aid P69447 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, very well. So what I've heard is that you indicated that the last time you were here, you wanted a jury trial?
For some reason, it got scheduled for a bench trial. I think we have a resolution. Alexa, we were in a breakout room. I don't know why you didn't come back in there.
I wasn't able to get a response from my supervisor, so I can't give that offer today.
Okay, can I get you back in the breakout room? I think I can resolve something with you.
Join the room, please. All right, on the Galaxy S10, last time, press *6 to unmute yourself. Strike that, unmute yourself and start your camera. On the telephone at 313-492-7214. Press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, on the Galaxy, what's your name, sir? Galaxy S10, sir, in the black t-shirt. What's your name? Is that Officer Shabazz?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm having some technical difficulties. I signed it. I was bad. I don't know what happened.
Shabazz, your client never showed.
Okay, I had two defendants.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Larry.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, what's going to go on with this?
Yes, we have a resolution.
And what is that?
Judge, upon your approval, Mr. Laird's going to plead guilty to the drag racing spectator. In exchange, dismiss the second charge, the plate violation, and prosecution has agreed, of course, upon your approval, just fines and costs.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Does the drag racing spectator have any points attached to it?
Yes, Judge, 4 points, and then there's no suspension.
Very well. Did you read your client his advice or rights?
Yes, Judge, I've explained to him all his rights. He understands those rights, wishes to waive his rights to having a trial and enter into this plea today voluntarily.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Laird?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Your lawyer went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 4th, 2022 at around 2 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and Livernois. Were you in that area around that date and time?
Yes.
Do you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I did, yes.
What were they doing out there?
Well, when I got pulled over, I was just at an intersection.
Ashton, Judge, can I avoid dear? Ashton, were you spectating during a drag racing event?
Yes.
On the date and time the judge specified?
What were you going to say, sir? I asked you what they were doing out there, and you said at the time you were what?
Well, I was just driving when like I got pulled over. I just didn't know what you meant like by the cops, like what the cops were doing or me.
So you were leaving the scene of the drag racing event, correct?
Yes.
That you were watching.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm satisfied. You're satisfied.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client guilty as charged. $240, 4 points on his license. We'll, with stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Judge.
240, sir. When can you pay?
Could I have a week by any chance?
I'll give you 2 weeks to get it here. July 24th, 2023. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. That's DIVDAT. Or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two fastest ways I know how to tell you how to pay it, sir. If nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. And Officer Miller, Staff Sergeant Miller, thank you. Be safe out there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Very well. Okay, Ms. Oldenbrook. How is our, good morning to you.
I wasn't trying to reach Scotty. I don't know. It's taking. Good morning.
All right, what is have you been testing, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And
yes,
what am I gonna see when Mr. Schiatti? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Anastasia Oldenbrook, case number Z8084041. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Anastasia Oldenbrook.
Right. Good morning, Officer Schiatti. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Judge Ken.
Your appearance on the record, please.
Sure, Judge. Ken Schiatti, the assigned probation officer on this matter.
Okay, today is the date and time set for. Is it set for a review? I don't think it's set for a review.
I think she failed to appear on the last review.
She failed to appear, and she was given another chance, and that's why it's indicated a show cause review.
Give me an update. Go ahead.
I sure will, Judge. Judge, this defendant's been on probation since December. She was on probation for 1 year. At first, the defendant got out to a very rocky start in terms of compliance. I went over it with her sternly in terms of her trying to turn a corner in terms of compliant, and now she has done that. She's tested negative now. She's made substantial payments. At first, she was paying nothing, but she's been making payments now, and her balance is down to 190. She still has to do the victim's impact panel, and the most important. She might have done it, but we don't have proof of it yet.
Right.
But in regards to, I would like to speak about the most important part, and that's outpatient treatment. That is what the probation department's concerned with, is outpatient treatment. So we're curious to hear from the defendant or the defense attorney in regards to her outpatient treatment.
All right, so I don't think the defense attorney will be here. That was Mr. Golden, and I think his duties were relieved upon taking the sentence. Unless she's going to retain him for this matter. Ms. Oldenbrook, let me ask you this: can you put some extra clothes on, ma'am, please?
What would you like to know? He said about the outpatient treatment.
I would like for you to start putting some extra a top on or something.
Oh,
over the string top.
Judge, we do have proof of the alcohol, highway safety, and the victim's impact panel, and she's been paying her money. The probation department is, and even though she missed her review date back in May 22nd, she is here today. The probation department is concerned. We'd like to hear from the defendant in regards to outpatient treatment.
All right. Ms. Oldenbrook, why did you miss the last court date?
Because I never received a postcard. I actually have an email from the post office saying when it was supposed to be delivered, and it got delivered 3 days after I was supposed to have been there.
Well, didn't you get the date when you were here in court?
I sure did, and then I got asked again with my lawyer, and I was told by both you and my lawyer that I would get a postcard in the mail. So that's my fault. I called and asked both the court and checked online, and it didn't show a court date for that time. And I also emailed Mr. Sciotti that morning trying to ask about it, but I was too late at that point.
That was on the day of?
That's true, Judge. The defendant is accurate. She did email me later on that afternoon.
I know, but I'm just kind of, it's just so coincidental that just so happened that she didn't get the notice, and she didn't know the day she left, because I told her and her attorney that it would come in the mail. But just so happened on that very day that she was supposed to be here, she calls in to find out whether, you know. So, all right, what about the testing? Is the testing going well?
Yeah, the testing's okay, Judge.
What does it mean, okay?
The reason why I said okay is that she does have a valid medical marijuana card, and it has been showing up for.
I'm really concerned about alcohol.
Alcohol, Judge, she did test positive one time for alcohol.
We talked about one time.
Yeah, one time.
And what about one time since the last time she tested positive?
No,
No
she's been clean only for the marijuana, but she has a medical marijuana card.
And lastly, what about the outpatient treatment? I'll allow you to speak to that, Ms. Olin.
I started outpatient treatment with Bethany Christian Services, and then I just liked my counselor, so I have a new counselor starting. My first one was on Thursday, and then I have another one on the 20th.
How many times did you attend and actually have a session? How many sessions did you actually attend for therapy?
5.
Okay, you're gonna have to forward a progress report from your counselor to our department.
Okay, I have a reference number for the new one, if that.
No.
Okay.
All right, well, I'm glad to hear that you are back on track, Ms. Oldenbrook. It appears that you've made substantial payments, $190. You've taken the classes now. Mr. Sciotti has confirmed that, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
You got the outpatient treatment. I hope that it's helpful.
I hope so too.
Well, is it?
I mean, it's progress. It's me talking, not negative thing.
No, is it helpful? I mean, are you getting something out of it? You've been to five, as you said, you've been to 5 outpatient treatment sessions.
I think the process of me getting to and from a treatment situation is causing me more anxiety than the treatment is now.
Say that again.
The process of getting to and up until this point, like I said, I was going to Bethany Christian Services, and then for me to get from my appointments was causing more anxiety than potentially helping the situation. My new one is very close to my house, so I don't have to find rides, and it's not an hour away from me. So I'm hoping that the change will allow it to become progress rather than continued anxiety.
Well, all right, but how are the sessions themselves? That's what the main point about it is. Once you get there, after you talk to the people, are you getting anything out of it?
Yes.
That's
Oh, okay.
all right. So what are we gonna do?
Judge, I think the probation department now is being more comfortable, and we're being a little more satisfied. I would just like to recommend that her probation just be continued until the final discharge date, which is in December.
Well, I'll determine the final discharge date.
I think it's set already, unless you put a new one.
I would consider discharging you earlier if you continue to comply. You owe this money here. You have to get Mr. Schiatti proof of the outpatient treatment. You have to continue your sobriety and come back. You've already been since December. Come back on 9/11 and we'll see where you are with that, with the documentations and everything, all right?
That's a good idea, Judge.
Just come back 9/11. Hopefully you have everything paid off by then. You continue to continue your sobriety. You get Mr. Schiatti the information, and we'll consider, if everything is well, we'll consider closing this matter out, all right? Is that fair enough?
Sounds great. Yeah.
9/11/2023 at 8:25 a.m. is the next date. Don't tell me you didn't get that now, Ms.
That's why I'm asking. 8:25.
8:25 on 9/11.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, Judge, for
All right,
everything.
thank you, Mr. Schiatti.
Okay, it's good seeing you again.
Always good to see you.
Okay, now.
Good to see your buddy as well.
Oh, I seen. I haven't, it's funny, I've been in 2 courtrooms and I seen him in the other courtroom.
There you
And
go.
I acknowledged them, we shook hands and you are right, we were friends right from the beginning.
All right, I'll see you later.
I'll see ya.
That was it. That was it. All right, everyone, that appears to